Assalamu alaikum, children. So, today, as I told you all in the previous class, we are seeing the verb phrase. We are going to talk about the verb phrase, right? Verb phrase, now we studied noun phrase, then adjective phrase. Now we are going to see verb phrase, right? So, a verb phrase performs the work of a verb in a sentence, right? Now, a verb, but now if I ask you the question, what is a verb? You always say they are action words, right? So, verb phrase also, it performs the same work. Action word, it describes an action, right? This verb phrase, children, there's a change, right? Not like adjective phrase and noun phrases. A verb phrase will contain a main verb, compulsorily a main verb, like play, go, work, write, run, jump, um, what else, push, pull, like that. Whatever the main verbs, it will contain one main verb, and other words like modal verbs and auxiliary verbs. Modal verbs mean would, could, should, might, may, shall, should. Those are the modal verbs. Auxiliary verbs mean is, are, was, were, all forms of be and has and have, do and does. Now, all forms of be, if I say all the forms of be verb, be, right? That is, are, was, were, has, have, right? All those are all forms of be. Now, do, does, all those are auxiliary verbs, right? Main verb plus modals or auxiliary verbs will come in a verb phrase, right? Now, see these examples here, right? He has broken up with Nikki. Here they have highlighted the verb phrase in blue color. Has broken up, right? In this, you can see, right? Has broken up. Broken is the main verb. Has is the auxiliary verb. It's an auxiliary verb, a helping verb, right? Similarly, in the second sentence, might love. Might is a modal verb. That's a verb phrase. Might love. Might is a modal verb. Love is the action verb, the main verb. So, children, in a verb phrase, a main verb usually, most of the time, not every time, not all the times, but most of the time, main verbs come at the end of the verb phrase. Right? You can see love. In the second sentence, love is the main verb. It is at the end of the verb phrase. After might, only the action verb. Then waiting in the third one. In the verb phrase, have been waiting. Waiting. Can see this using I'll draw and show in this sentence. Now you can see have been waiting. That is what they have highlighted as verb phrase. Have and been are auxiliary verbs. Waiting is a main verb, right? So you can see main verb has come at the end of the verb phrase, right? Similarly, see this, right? Fourth one, see the fourth sentence. We could have won the match. In that could have won is the verb phrase. In that won is the main verb, right? And in that verb phrase, you can see won has come at the end of the verb phrase, right? So in most of the sentences, in most of the verb phrases, main verbs come at the end. If main verbs don't come at the end, prepositions will come at the end in a verb phrase. Remember that, okay? Now, let's see some exercises I have given here. Right? Here I have given some exercises. So, in these exercises, children, I'll just try and say all the first two, okay? In the first one, let's take the first one. You have to underline the verb phrase. Now, I told you first you have to recognize what is a main verb. The main verb is waiting. Waiting is a main verb. Then you have to see what are the other auxiliary verbs and modal verbs. Has been waiting, right? Has been waiting is a verb phrase. Similarly, in the second one, first try to identify the verb, main verb, trying. Trying is a main verb, right? So you saw after main verb, you have to underline the auxiliary or modal verbs. Is that is a auxiliary verb. So is trying is a model, the verb phrase, right? Similarly, third one, Gary would have been very happy with the results. Here, right? Been is a main verb. You have to know something. Been can act as a main verb and an auxiliary verb both. In some sentences, it will be as an auxiliary verb. In some sentences, it can come as a main verb. In this sentence, been, the verb been acts as a main verb. So, but the whole verb phrase is would have been. Would have been is a verb phrase. Similarly, you can pause the video and try to do the other sentences also, right? Maybe in your exercise book or a different paper just for a practice, right? So that's all about verb phrases. I have sent you this document in your group, grade 8, in your class group, in your class group, right? Phrases and clauses. You all can, if you all can, try to save this document and keep, right? And yeah, that's all. I'll put the homework in the group. Thank you.